Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. Now today's topic is number system. The question is find a Pythagorean triplet with 16 x and y. So that Pythagorean triplet is nothing but three natural numbers m, n, p which are satisfying the condition m square plus n square equal to p square. Three natural numbers m and p are satisfying the condition m square plus n square equal to p square. Then this m comma n comma p, that it is called as a Pythagorean triplet. The general form of a Pythagorean triplet is 2m comma m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. General form of a Pythagorean triplet is 2m comma m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Now by using this 16 comma x and y, we are going to find a Pythagorean triplet. So the general form of a Pythagorean triplet is 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. Let us equate the first term of this Pythagorean triplet 2m with 16. We get 2m is equal to 16. Then m is equal to 16 by 2 which is equal to 8. Then we can calculate m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. M square minus 1 is equal to 8 square minus 1. It is 64 minus 1 is 63. And m square plus 1 is equal to 8 square plus 1 which is equal to 64 plus 1 is 65. So Pythagorean triplet 16 comma x comma y is equal to 2m is x 16 comma x is m square minus 1 which is equal to 63, y is m square plus 1 which is equal to 65. So required Pythagorean triplet is 16, 63 and 65. Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. Today topic is number system. Now the question is, give an example of reduced residue set modulo 5. So for giving an example of this, we are going to consider that Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma is a equal to bq plus r, where a and b are any two integers. When a is divided by b, quotient is q and remainder is r. When a is divided by b, quotient is q and remainder is r, then according to division rule, we can write dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now what are the possibilities of this remainder? So whenever, suppose modulo 5, when a number is divided by 5, what are the possible values of remainder? When a is divided by 5, quotient is q and remainder is r, what are the possible values of r we are finding? Then we can write it as a equal to 5q plus remainder. Then r may be 0 and r may be 1, r may be 2, r may be 3, r may be 4. So the values of remainder are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Example is, suppose if we take a number 25. If we consider a number 25, when 25 is divided by 5, quotient is 5 and remainder is 0. 25 is divided by 5, quotient is 5 and remainder is 0. Then we can write it as 25 is equal to 5 into 5 plus remainder is 0. And coming to when 21 is divided by 5. If 21 is divided by 5, 21 is divided by 5, 4 is a quotient and this is a 20 here and remainder is 1. So that quotient is equal to 4 and remainder is 1. We can write it as 21 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 1. In this case remainder is 1. And coming to, if we take 32. Consider a number 32. When 32 is divided by 5, quotient is 6 and here it is a 30, remainder is 2. So we can take that 32 is equal to 5 into 6 plus remainder is 2. And similarly, if we take 43, when 43 is divided by 5, 43 is divided by 5, 8 times, 8 5s here, this is a 40 and remainder is a 3. Then we can write A is nothing but 43 is equal to 5 into 8 plus remainder is a 3. So remainder is equal to 3 in this case. Similarly, when let us take a number 44. 44 is divided by 5 and we can cancel 5 and 44 8 times, that it is a 40. Remainder is a 4. In this case we can write 44 is equal to divisor into quotient is a 5 into 8 plus remainder is a 4. So whenever a number is divided by 5, the values of remainder are either 0, R1, R2, R3, R4. Thank you.